In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a website using the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your web creation skills, this tutorial will guide you through every essential step. Let's get started by heading over to Hostinger's website. To do this, open your browser and navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you've successfully logged in, the first screen you'll see is the dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the Websites section. This is where all your hosted sites are conveniently listed, giving you easy access to each. Next, hover over or find the specific website you wish to edit. You will see an option to edit website. Clicking this will take you directly into the website builder interface, which is your central hub for making customizations to your site. When you enter the builder, you'll notice several sections on the interface, prominently including the content of elements. Here, you can add, remove, or adjust various elements like text boxes and images. It's essentially what makes up the visual and functional aspects of your pages. Speaking of pages, let's dive into the Content of Pages section. This menu allows you to manage individual web pages with the ability to add new ones or edit existing ones as you desire. You can rearrange the order of your pages or personalize each with unique URLs to optimize accessibility. After that, head over to the Content of Styles. This is where you tweak your website's aesthetic, choosing from fonts, color schemes, and overall page layouts. Adjusting these elements will help ensure your site truly reflects the desired brand identity or personal preference. For those who are looking to add some automated intelligence to their online presence, explore the Content of AI Tools section. This section facilitates the integration of AI functionalities that can greatly enrich user interaction and experience on your site. If you're planning to blog, the Content of Blog section is your resource. Whether it's publishing new posts, organizing categories, or scheduling content, you have the flexibility to manage everything related to your blog here. Another important aspect of many websites is e-commerce. The Content of Store section is pivotal if you plan on selling products or services. You can configure product listings, payment gateways, and customer interaction policies. Don't forget about SEO, which is under Content of SEO. This feature is essential for improving your site's visibility on search engines, covering aspects like keywords, meta descriptions, and title tags to enhance your site's reach. Lastly, there's the Content of More section, offering various other customization options. This is where you can find advanced settings and additional features that may suit more complex needs. To wrap it up, if you want to enhance the visual appeal of your site, you can also change images using the Image Editor tool. Simply select the image you wish to replace or modify and adjust it directly from the builder. This feature is particularly useful for visually driven websites needing regular updates for fresh content. That concludes our tutorial on editing your website in Hostinger Website Builder. With all these tools at your fingertips, you'll be well on your way to creating a polished, professional-looking website tailored to your specific needs. Happy editing!